What's up, everybody? It's been a while since Ash was in front of the camera. Also, it's been a while since I was in front of the camera. For many reasons, including the fact we're getting married in a few weeks.
Yes.
You guys didn't know this.
May 22nd.
May 22nd, 2021. As of the making and uploading of this video, it'll be roughly 21 days or so, or 22 days, I think. Anyway, there's that. It's happening soon. We're super excited. Okay, let's get into this. We're playing This or That Disney Edition. It's, well, I guess we sort of made it up. I don't know if it's an official game or anything, but it's fun. So, here we go. Question number 1. Disneyland California or Disney World? Got our little answer sheets here. 3, 2, 1. Disney World.
Disney World. We've only been to Disneyland once.
And it was amazing.
It really was.
I love the place. This was actually kind of hard for me. Because everything at Disneyland that Disney World also has, I prefer more at Disneyland, if that makes sense. Anyway, question number 2. Rope drop and stay all day in one park, or park hop. But you have to go to all 4 parks in that one day. Rope drop and stay at one park all day, or park hop to all 4 parks in one day. What'd you do? I've got mine.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Park hop.
Park hop for sure.
I could rope drop and stay in Magic Kingdom all day, but
Yes.
none of the other parks.
Correct. Question 3. Annual pass or 2 trips a year with unlimited fast passes? That's a hard one. And when I say annual pass, you got to keep in mind your income. So that'll determine technically how many times you can, if you're out of state, how many times you can travel over there. And of course, go to the parks.
Okay.
I've got mine. Ready? Go.
2 trips a year.
Definitely.
With unlimited fast passes.
Yes, absolutely. It's pretty easy, actually. Okay, next question. This one's gonna be hard for you. Big Thunder or Seven Dwarfs Mine Train?
Those are my 2 favorites. I have mine.
I've got mine. I think we're gonna match. Maybe. Ready? Go.
Big Thunder.
Big Thunder Mountain.
I have to go with that. It's such a
Thunder
fun
Mountain.
ride.
Here's one. The monorail or the Skyliner? Monorail or Skyliner? What you got?
Okay.
Ready?
Skyliner.
Monorail. Monorail, the best form of transportation at Disney. No question. I like the Skyliner. I like the Skyliner,
The
but
Skyliner.
it's just so classic. Anyway, next question. This one's more tailored towards me, but Expedition Everest or Rock and Roller Coaster? I know you hate both of those.
I
She swears Everest went upside down, but it
do.
doesn't.
No, I didn't.
You said it did. And you said you almost passed
I
out.
did.
The one time you did it, it was terrible.
I just wasn't expecting the whole backwards thing. But, okay.
Should never done it. All right, I've got mine. Ready?
Okay. If I had to go on one,
Everest.
it'd be Everest, because I don't like Rock and Roller Coaster because it goes upside down.
It does go upside down.
So,
If you experienced it once, you'd probably, well, no, you wouldn't like it, but it would be very intense for you. Next question. Tower of Terror. I know this is tailored towards me again. Or Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. It's basically Tower of Terror, Guardians of the Galaxy themed. It's over in Disneyland.
okay.
Got one?
Mhm.
Okay. Guardians.
Yes.
It was so much fun. Oh, man. Wish I'd go to Disneyland more often, honestly. All right, next question. Soarin' or Spaceship Earth?
Okay.
Got mine. Ready?
Excuse me. Tired.
Spaceship Earth.
Soarin'. Not the biggest fan of Spaceship Earth.
I wish you liked it. Yeah, I just think it's so much fun.
It is fun. It's nice to just sit and chill, but it's not my favorite.
The part at the end where you get to be a character is funny. Because you always take like a dumb picture. Anyway,
Yeah.
Pirates of the Caribbean or the People Mover. This isn't really that hard, but I just paired the two.
Okay.
I've got mine. Ready? Go. Pirates.
Even though I like the People Mover.
People Mover is fun. I'm glad it's open. It was way too much time. Anyway, next question. Jungle Cruise or Kilimanjaro Safari?
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Safari.
Safari. For sure.
For sure. Definitely the Safari. Next question. Peter Pan's Flight or Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway? This is a pretty good one,
It's
honestly.
hard.
This is hard. I know what your dad would pick. No question. But what would you pick? I think I've got mine. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Runaway Railway.
Peter Pan.
Ooh. This was very hard for me to choose, but
Yeah.
it was like a 51-49 difference. Okay, next question. Space Mountain or Test Track? I should have made this one a little harder, for myself at least. But I know what you pick and I know what you'll
Okay.
pick and I know what I'll pick. Ready? Go.
Test Track.
Space Mountain.
I love Space Mountain, but I do love Test Track.
Space Mountain's the best ride at Disney World. Don't at me. Next question. I've used Big Thunder 2 or 3 times in this,
It's okay.
but here it is again. Anyway, Big Thunder or Rise of the Resistance? I knew this one would probably get you. Maybe. Sort of. I got mine. You ready? Rise of the Resistance.
Big Thunder.
Oh,
I love Rise. It's awesome, but I have to go with Big Thunder. I absolutely love that ride. I love it.
sad day. Next question. Grand Floridian or Riviera?
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been in a room at either. I've seen pictures of them, but I've never stayed in one or been in one. But if I had to pick, I would go based on location. They're both very nice, but I'd go based on location
Okay.
and pick Grand Floridian. It's right by Magic Kingdom. My favorite park at Disney World.
Yes.
It just makes it so much easier.
Okay.
Next question. We're doing resorts again. Polynesian versus contemporary.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Polynesian.
Polynesian.
They've got Dole Whips.
And a monorail station.
Next question. This is gonna be this one was harder for me than it will be for you. But it's Nine Dragons, the Chinese restaurant over in Epcot, versus Casey's Corner in Magic Kingdom.
I know what I
Both are currently closed, unfortunately. But okay. Ready? I'm gonna have to go with
Casey's
Nine
Corner.
Dragons.
Casey's Corner all the way.
The honey sesame chicken at Nine Dragons is to die for. I don't think a lot of people know about it. At least it's not that popular, I don't think, but it's very good. I recommend anyone watching the video up to this point try it. Next question. Dole Whip versus Mickey Waffle.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Mickey Waffle. But I know he picked Dole Whip. I don't even have to look.
Dole Whip. Don't even have to look. Favorite snack of all time. All right, next question. Frozen Ever After, whatever it's called, the Frozen Ride at Epcot versus Navi River Journey
Okay.
over at Animal Kingdom.
All right.
You ready?
Frozen.
Navi. I haven't done Navi yet, but it just looks so cool. So
It
fun.
is cool, but I like Frozen.
I like stuff like that. But Frozen it's very good.
Okay.
I'll admit it's very good. All right. Dinosaur. Do you remember that ride over in Animal
Yep.
Kingdom? Versus Indiana Jones in California.
Okay. Okay.
Disneyland.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Indy.
Indy.
Jonesy. No question.
Yep.
They're very similar. In fact, I think they might actually be maybe the same thing. But I love the Indiana Jones films. Have all my life. And Yeah. All right, next question. The Incredicoaster, California Adventure. You haven't done it.
And I want to.
Or Mission Space. Something you also want to do.
I'll do like the more mile. Okay, I'm gonna say Mission Space.
Okay.
I'll do the mile
Incredicoaster
version,
for sure.
but I don't like it really. But if I was forced, I'd do it.
Okay. Good answer. Next question. Would you rather ride everything or eat everything
Okay.
on any given Disney trip?
Okay.
Got my answer. Ready?
Alright.
Go.
Ride.
Definitely
My
ride.
sister would say eat, but I say ride.
No question. No, nothing. All right, next question. Astro Orbiters or the teacups?
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Astro Orbiters.
I do not like the teacups. They make me dizzy.
You don't have to, I mean, you go around the circle, but you don't have to make your teacups.
I know. Last time we rode it, my sister and I, we didn't spin, but it still kind of made me sick.
All right. Small World or the Alice in Wonderland ride over at Disneyland?
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alice in Wonderland.
Alice.
That was really
All
fun.
5
There were 5 of
of
us.
us. It was my mom, dad, him and I, and my sister all crammed in
We
one
crammed into the
little
little
cart.
caterpillar thing.
If you have a picture, you need to.
If I have a picture, I'll definitely put it right here. All right, next question. Would you rather be, oh wait, I added one, oops. Slinky Dog Dash
Okay.
or Seven Dwarfs Mine Train?
Ooh, that's a really tough one.
Yeah, I know, that's why I stuck it in here. I forgot to write it down.
Okay.
You ready? Okay,
Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog,
I love
for sure.
Slinky Dog.
Definitely. Wish Seven Dwarfs wasn't so short, that's the problem.
Alright.
All right.
Yeah.
Would you rather be an Imagineer or a cast member?
Okay.
Ready? Imagineer.
Cast member.
Definitely an Imagineer. Wanted to be one for a while.
We have 2 left.
Looks like so much fun. All right. Flight of Passage or Splash Mountain?
Okay.
This one was actually kind of easy.
Flight of Passage. I am shocked you put that.
I had to
I'm
think
really
about that one.
shocked.
I had to think about that one for a second. I do like the ride. I just wouldn't wait for it any longer than an hour. I don't think it's
But
worth
why
it.
would you choose it over Splash Mountain? I'm really shocked.
I like Splash Mountain, but I don't like getting wet.
Yeah, that's true. Alright.
Okay, last question. Would you rather watch the Happily Ever After fireworks show thing, the Magic Kingdom, or ride stuff while others are watching it so wait times would be lower?
Okay.
Ready? Okay,
Right stuff.
I'm gonna have
That's
to
what
go
we
with
always
ride
do.
stuff. That is what we always do. We take advantage of that. I mean, obviously they aren't doing the fireworks right now, but when they were, we definitely took advantage of riding things. All right, that is everything. We did it. Good job. I actually think that was fun.
Yes, it was
I
really
think that was
fun.
fun. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends.
Turn on post notifications.
Yes, I always forget something. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you for joining us on this adventure. We've got many more to come after our wedding, of course, when we get married. And we are actually going to go to Disney World for our honeymoon. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I finally get to build a lightsaber. I've been
Yes.
trying I haven't been trying a long time, but I've wanted to do it ever since I heard about it, and now I finally get to, and I'm so very excited.
Yes, my dad actually scored him
He scored it.
a reservation.
He did it.
So it
It
was
was awesome.
amazing.
I was so excited. Still am. But yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. The trip's going to be so much fun, and yeah, we can't wait. But anyway, thank you guys for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Have a good one.